When securing equipment grounding conductors, grounding electroconductors, or bonding jumpers, which of the following methods would be a violation? And the correct answer is using a machine type screw fastener that engages one thread. Let's take a look at the feedback. The NEC requires that machine type screw fasteners engage at least two threads or be secured with a nut. A fastener engaging only one thread does not provide adequate security and would be a violation. Let's take a look at the paraphrase code language. In 250.8, the following methods are allowed for connecting equipment grounding conductors, grounding electroconductors, and bonding jumpers. And this is paraphrase code language. Pressure connectors that are listed, terminal bars, pressure connectors listed for grounding and bonding purposes, exothermic welding, which is CAD welding, machine screws that either engage at least two threads or are secured with a nut, thread forming screws that engage a minimum of two threads within the enclosure, connections that are an integral part of a listed assembly, and any other listed method. Of course, consult the actual NEC for the specific code language. I am the electrical code coach, and my bargain is that these videos will add value to you, and you will in turn add value to others. If you ever need anything from me, you can always just email me at electricalcodecoach@gmail.com. Let's get to it.